Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to install and use Opera on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Opera browser has been officially released for Chromebooks. So to download it, you can simply open Google Chrome browser, visit Opera download page and navigate to Opera for Chromebook. So here we have the official page. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here you can simply click on get it on Google Play. Now here simply select Google Play Store and click on open. Or else you can directly search Opera browser on Google Play Store. After that, simply click on this install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you can simply click on this open button, or else you can open Opera browser from the app launcher. For that, click on this app launcher icon. Here we have the Opera browser. Simply click on it. Now click on continue. Here allow all the required permissions. And you are ready to use Opera browser on your Chromebook. Now for quick access, you can also pin Opera browser icon to the Chromebook self. For that, right click on it, then click on pin. Now you can directly open Opera browser using this shortcut. Opera browser also have a built-in free VPN. So if you want to use VPN feature on your Chromebook, click on this profile icon. Here click on VPN option. Here click on got it. Now our browser is connected to the VPN. Let me maximize the browser. For more view area, from the drop-down menu, you can select your location. Also, if you want to use VPN feature for your private tabs only, then you can simply check this box. When you visit any website by turning on VPN, on your address bar, you will find this kind of icon. Here, simply click on it. From here, you can turn on and turn off VPN option. Also, you can select your location. So that's it. This is how you can install and use Opera browser on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.